The trip to Myanmar was filled with so many eye-opening experiences.
Going to Myanmar was just amazing. They were so welcoming when we got there and just really willing to learn.
I didn't know what to expect when we landed in Myanmar. I've heard a lot of stories, it's kind of like stepping back in time.
Walk into a country that was sort of locked in time was the most fascinating and eye-opening experience for me.
We were at the Yangon Eye Hospital, and it was, I would say, surprisingly primitive. Birds fly in and out of the post-operative areas. They're working with what they have, and they do a very good job of that, but it was kind of like what you would see in the movies.
It kind of almost takes your breath away when you see all these people just sitting there waiting, and just the unbelievable patience that they have, that they're there and they're willing to wait for as long as they need to have care. And that's powerful knowing that I'm not just going to see the people in that hospital that day to help them. I'm helping to teach these ophthalmologists how to take care of that many people day in and day out.
To see the impact that you can have with relatively few economic resources was also a powerful thing that we took away. They have the most difficult cases and then the lowest level of technology. So to see what we can do kind of reminds us of the power of just the human touch and educating each other, learning new techniques. We learn as much from them because what they're able to bring with so little is amazing.
Going to Myanmar and being able to interact with these individuals who not having eyesight really impacted their lives, and it made it difficult for them to even be out in the community, to do their jobs, to take care of their families. So being there and being able to see what an impact the foundation can have by providing this eyesight and even training doctors in those countries was just incredible. It was an amazing experience. You just kind of take a step back and think about where you are in the history there and how they do things differently, yet we're all there for the same reasons. Everyone we encountered that we worked with or taught, they were so thankful that we were there. Going to Myanmar had a huge impact on my life and kind of how I see things, and it really taught me not to take things for granted.
There's so many people that need this service around the world, and even in the United States, that we're reaching out locally, nationally, and globally to try to help address this need.